What's up YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create objects in Java. Let's get straight to the code. Alright, so today we're going to create a cat class. For our cat class we're going to have two data fields. The first one's going to be string name. Next is going to be a string array called sounds, which represents all the sounds that a cat makes. In our constructor we're going to initialize this dot name is equal to name. Then for our sounds array we're going to set the length. So sounds is equal to new string, and our cat in this program is going to have 3 sounds. Alright, so for the first sound we're going to have sounds 0 is equal to purr. Our second sound is going to be equal to meow. And then our third sound is going to be growl. Alright, so next we're going to create a make a noise method. Inside our make a noise method we're going to have a random object that generates random numbers, so the cat can make random noises. So the first one is going to be rand is equal to new random. Then our second variable is going to be int sound, which is equal to rand.next int 3. Alright, so now we're just going to print it out. So we're going to have this dot name plus has plus sound sound, and then we're going to add ed at the end. So now let's go down to our main method. We're going to create a cat object. Cat is equal to new cat, and let's call our cat Tom. So cat dot make a noise. Alright, now it's time to run it. So Tom has meowed. Let's do it again. Tom has meowed again. Okay, Tom has growled. Tom has purred. So that's how you create an object in Java. If you have any questions, comment below, or if you'd like to request a video, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.